This is the moment every SMC trader is waiting for. Price has reached the zone. Everything you've analyzed, the bias, the confluence, the sweep, has led to this single point in time. What happens in the next few candles on the lower time frame is the entire trade. Welcome to the Drop-Down series. Each episode in this series is one drop-down moment, told candle by candle in real time. Episode 1, the clean trigger. What it looks like when everything goes right.
Quick context, 30 seconds, no more. This is a Euro-USD 4H chart. Daily bias is bullish. Price is in discount. We have a 4H order block with an overlapping fair value gap, sitting inside the 61.8 to 79% OTE band. The minor liquidity sweep above this zone fired 2 candles ago. Every box on the top-down checklist is ticked, except one, the 15-minute confirmation. That's what this episode is about. We are not re-explaining the framework. We are watching the final step happen.
We drop to the 15-minute chart. Price is now inside the zone. The first candles to arrive are small bearish candles. Sellers still active, but momentum is slowing. Each candle's body is getting smaller. This is the part of the process that requires patience. Nothing has happened yet. There's no trigger, just price sitting inside the zone, doing very little. This is exactly where most traders start to anticipate, and exactly where you don't. Now watch this candle. It opens, and immediately a long lower wick starts forming, price pushing down, testing the lower boundary of the OB. The wick extends well below the body. And then the candle starts closing back upward. The body is forming near the top of the candle's range. This is happening in real time on the 15-minute chart. We're watching the wick get rejected as the candle builds toward its close. The candle closes. Let's check it against the 2 pin bar rules from video 9. Rule 1. The wick must be at least twice the length of the body. Measuring this one, the wick is roughly 3 times the body. Pass. Rule 2. The body must close at or above the 50% level of the candle's full range. This body closed in the top quarter. Pass. Both conditions met on the first attempt on the first touch of the zone. This is what a clean trigger looks like. No hesitation. No second attempt, no ambiguity. Entry triggers on the close of this candle. Entry price is the close itself. No waiting for the next candle to open, no anticipation. The decision is made the moment this candle closes. Stop loss goes below the wick, a small buffer beyond the lowest point of the rejection. Target is the next BSL level above, the same level we identified back on the 4H chart during the top-down analysis. Risk to reward on this setup comes out to roughly 3 to 1. The trade is placed. That's it. That's the entire decision. This is what a clean trigger looks like. First touch, no hesitation. Both validation rules pass without ambiguity. Hold this image in your mind. It's the standard the rest of this series will be measured against, because not every drop-down looks like this. In episode 2, the first candle into the zone will look almost identical to this one, and it won't qualify. You'll watch the same patience applied to a setup that takes 2 attempts instead of 1. This is episode 1 of the Drop-Down series, a bonus series that runs alongside the main course, focused entirely on the moment of entry. Each episode is short, chart-only, and designed to build your pattern recognition through repetition of real scenarios. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss episode 2, the trigger that almost wasn't, where the first candle into the zone looks exactly like this one and doesn't qualify. Link to the full Drop-Down series playlist is in the description.